how to cancel your Amazon Prime membership. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Amazon Prime membership within the Amazon app on your iPhone or Android phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to cancel Amazon Prime, the first thing we need to do is open up the Amazon app on our iPhone or Android phone, then select the little person icon in the bottom menu. Once you get here, select Account in the top menu, and then once in here, scroll down to Account Settings, and under Account Settings, you'll see Manage Prime Membership. Select that. From here, select Manage Membership at the top, then select Manage Membership and the options below. And all we need to do is select End Membership at the bottom. Once you see this screen, scroll down and select Continue to Cancel. On this screen, you can pause your membership if you want to, but if you want to cancel Amazon Prime, make sure Cancel is selected. Then scroll down and select End on the date where your Prime membership ends. So for me, that's March 5th. So I'm going to select that. It'll then bring you back to the Manage Membership screen where at the top you should see your membership will end on the last day of your Prime membership. You have now canceled Amazon Prime. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.